Welcome to my channel Maths Pursuit. Today we will look into the questions from the chapter called Number Systems.
The given question is, state whether the following statements are true or false. Give reasons for your answers. Every rational number is a whole number. So guys, let us find out if every rational number is a whole number or not.
Here the given statement is every rational number, every rational number. Here the given statement is every rational number is a whole number. So guys, we need to prove if this given statement is true or false. This is what we are going to do. And if it is true, why? If it is false, why? Every rational number is a whole number. So guys, you could see here that there are two things coming into picture. One is rational number. The statement is talking about rational number, and the other one, the statement is talking about whole number. Now guys, let us look into the definitions of whole number as well as the rational number. Here I have posted on the screen the definition of whole number as well as natural number. Guys, I know that we all know this, but in order to be very clear and very specific, and in order to brush up our mind, I have posted here the definition of whole number as well as natural number. Now, if you look here to the definition of whole number, the definition of whole number says that whole numbers are all positive numbers including 0, but cannot be a fraction or a negative number. So guys, the whole numbers are the numbers starting from 0 till, and it includes all positive numbers, but it does not include what it doesn't include negative numbers, and fractions. So it does not include negative numbers and fractions. That means -1, -2, so these are the negative numbers. -1, -2, any negative number it does not include, and fractions like 1/2, 3/5, or 0/2. So all these are fractions, it does not include. So we are very clear now. Whole numbers are the numbers, it includes positive numbers as well as 0, but it does not include negative numbers and fractions. So this is what we understood about whole number. Now let us look here for the definition of rational number. Rational number is a number if it can be written in the form of P upon Q, where P and Q are integers and Q is not equal to 0. This is what the definition of rational number says. So rational number says that any number if it can be written in the form of P and Q are integers where Q is not equal to 0. Now if you look here to the examples, you could see that it includes -1, -2, 0, 1, 2, like 3/4 or 4/5, 7/6. So these are all rational numbers. Now how -1, -2 are rational numbers? Because -1 I can write -1 is -1/1. -2 I can write -2/1. So you could see that these numbers can be written in the form of P and Q. So -1 is an integer, and the denominator 1 is an integer. 2 is an integer, and the denominator is an integer. So 3/4, these are integers, and this can be written in the form P upon Q. And 0 is also a rational number. How? Because I can write 0 as 0/1. 0 upon anything is 0, but we can express these numbers as P upon Q. So P is 0 and Q is 1, and Q is not equal to 0. See, so all these things satisfies the given condition. So these are all rational numbers. Hope guys you understood the definition for rational number. Rational numbers are the numbers that can be written of the form P upon Q, and Q is not equal to 0. Just remember this thing. Q is not equal to 0, and it can be written of the form P and Q. P and Q are the integers. Now guys, after understanding the definition of rational number, let us look into the statement. The statement is saying every rational number is a whole number. True or false? Now guys, the whole number says that it includes only 0 and positive numbers. Now, so we can say that the given statement is false. The given statement is false. given statement is false, because the given statement is false. Why? Because for example, if I consider 5 upon 7, 5 upon 7 is a rational number, because if we consider a rational number, because if we consider a rational number like, if we consider a rational number like 5 upon 7, because if we consider a rational number like 5 upon 7, this is not an whole number. This is not a whole number. So a rational number cannot be a whole number, because 5 upon 7 is a rational number. It is not a whole number, because whole number does not include any negative numbers and fractions. So for that reason, we cannot consider 5 upon 7 is a whole number. So looking into that this aspect, we can say that every rational number is a whole number is false, because 5 upon 2 is a rational number, whereas 5 upon 2 is not a whole number. Hope guys you understood this, but still if you have any questions or doubts, please reach out to me in the comment section of this video. Definitely I will get back to you once I see your comments. Guys, if you really like my videos, please subscribe.
If you really like my videos, I would request you to kindly subscribe and also let your friends know. This will motivate me to create similar videos in the future. Thank you. Bye.